Hello, I now show you how to directly generate nodes just by typing in the coordinates or modifying the coordinates. One possibility is the following one. So first of all, we make sure that we are here in the creation mode, and we are also activating this button here, eventually by double click, just to make sure that we are creating nodes. Then I move somewhere in one of these views, just create the node. Here it is. We are opening the node context menu, and then you see here the coordinates of this node with X, Y, and Z. And let's just try to put it somewhere here, on the top level and right of this arm in the X direction. The top level, that is Y to the minus, Z to the minus 3. The value of the Y coordinate is also minus 3, and let's put it right of this arm somewhere here. That would be let's say X equal to 6. So I save it, and you just see that this node is now where I want to have it, right off this arm in X direction, somewhere there. You see it nicely here, on the same level in Y direction as this arm, and also here in the top level of the roof. That is one of these possibilities, just generating a node somewhere and modifying the coordinates. Other possibility is what I show you just in the following, and therefore I will just create this problem again from scratch. We go to clear all, let's just take away everything, then we go to create and have to make sure that still our display parameters as what you like to have. There is a display range, that means the outer box, again I just put to -6, 6, and for X that means a side length of 12 for our box, -6, 6 for Y, and -6, 6 for Z. That means you have now created a box of side length 12 in all directions. Again, the distance is between the grid points, I just accept to be 1, just as displayed. Okay, here we are. And let's just now start with node number 1, which is just the crossing point where all the three arms just are intersecting. So that may be not here. I don't try to click it here. So we go into one of the views, then we just press the tab key. So by that you see the cursor is just hopping downward into this cell on the bottom left, the World X cell. I'm sure that you haven't seen it. Just let's repeat it. So we are somewhere there, So, and now I just click the tab key, and you just watch what happens with the cursor. Just hopping from here down to there. Just watch it. Here it is. It's down there. And now we just type in the coordinates as we like them. X to the -3. Then again, pressing the tab key, then the cursor is hopping into this Y cell here, World Y coordinate. Let's put it also to -3, and again typing the tab key. You see, the display has been modified from World Y to World Z here, and here from World X to World Y. That is still okay. And again, tab, we just enter in this cell, and we just go again also for Z to be -3. Then we press the return key, and voila, we just have created a node where we just wanted to have it. Let's now create the node right of that one in X direction, so somewhere there, and again on the top level. We can also go down there just explicitly. I just use the next value for X, should be 3. Pressing the tab key. Now be cautious, we are now here with a Z coordinate. It should also be the top level, it was -3. And again tab, you see the display has been changed here now to World X and here to World Y. We can now again pressing the tab key, and we come to World Y, and let's choose it again to be -3, return, and voila, we have now here generated our second node. Yeah, here we have the bottom here now displayed, which is of course the same as the top level, the roof level, because still nothing has been generated in that direction. Okay, let's now generate the third node here on the top level, which would be at y equal to 3, x to minus 3, and y to minus 3. Yeah, so again going down to the bottom left. So x should be minus 3, top, we come to z, should also be minus 3, again top. Yeah, x is okay, then we come by another top. Pressing tab key to the y coordinate, which we now choose to be 3, and we press the return key, and voila, again updating the grid. Now we have the third key as a third node here at the top level. What is now missing still is the foundation node here for the vertical column here at the top left here, running to the bottom here with the coordinates x, y to minus 3 and z to plus 3. Yeah, somewhere there. No, not this one here. So we come here to x with the minus 3, that it should be 3 now. Checking x is okay, world y should be also minus 3, and voila, we now have generated all four nodes at the specific position what we like to have them. And what is missing yet is now to generate the elements. If we switch here to element, then we start generating elements, just clicking the first node and clicking the second node. That will be the very first element. Because of that, we have just to give some values for stiffnesses, bending stiffnesses, normal stiffness, and here the torsional stiffness. Everything is okay, and now we can go on just generating the next element, clicking first node, clicking the second node, clicking first node, clicking second node, and there we are here with our little structure with these 3 bars. What remains is just giving the foundation boundary conditions here. We just select this node, go to the right and just select complete clamped support condition with all displacement boundary conditions, support condition, all rotational boundary condition given. Yeah. Perhaps you would like also to apply some load. That one we just do by selecting the node, double click, we just have the node context menu, and then just go to the rider load, and we may just give some point loads here at this node. Remember that z is pointing downward. That means if we just give a value fz equal to 1, you see this point load is just pointing downward, and with that the input is just ready to be analyzed. Finished input, we go to analyze, and you see how this little structure is deforming as we just expected. Okay, thank you. That was this little presentation. See you next time.